Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where we can learn Slovak together. Today we're going to tackle an essential topic, numbers and counting in Slovak. Whether you're traveling to Slovakia, learning the language for fun, or just curious, this video will help you count from 1 to 100 in Slovak. So let's get started. First, let's start with the basics. Numbers 1 through 10. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! Now let's move on to numbers 11 through 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome! Now let's learn the tens from 30 to 100. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now let's learn how to combine these numbers. For example, to say 21, you say 21. Let's practice a few together. 21, 32, 45, 58, 67, 79, 84, 96. And there you have it. Now you can count from 1 to 100 in Slovak. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Slovak language lessons. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Dovidenia.